Gerb is a conservative, populist political party which was the ruling party of Bulgaria between 2009 and 2021. Gerb is headed by former Prime Minister of Bulgaria Boyko Borisov, the former mayor of Sofia, former member of the national movement Simeon II and former personal guard of Todor Zhivkov in the 1990s. The establishment of the party followed the creation of a non-profit organization with the acronym GERB, Citizens for European Development of Bulgaria, earlier the same year. In early January 2007 and early February 2007, the party came second in public polls on party support with around 14%, trailing the Bulgarian Socialist Party which had around 25%. Its stated priorities are fighting crime and corruption, preserving family as the cornerstone of society and achieving energy independence. Gerb won the 2009 European Parliament election in Bulgaria with 24.36% of the vote. The party elected 5 MEPs and joined the European People's Party European Democrats group in the European Parliament. On June 6, 2007, Gerb applied formally to join as a member party the European People's Party and joined EPP on February 7, 2008. Gerb won the 2009 parliamentary elections, held a month after the European ballot, winning 39.7% of the popular vote and 117 seats. After the elections, a new government was formed, led by Borisov, primarily with Gerb members and with 5 independent ministers around Deputy Prime Minister Simeon Jankov. The reformist wing was responsible for some of the most significant legislative victories, including a constitutional reform to ban tax increases. On the 20th of February 2013, the government resigned after nationwide protests demanding it to step down. Gerb's candidates for the 2011 presidential election, Rosen Plevneliev and Margarita Popova, won the elections on the second ballot with 52.6% of the popular vote. Gerb won the 2013 parliamentary elections with 97 seats, receiving 30.5% of the popular vote. This made Gerb the first governing party to be re-elected in the history of the post-communist Bulgaria. However, with lack of support from the other parties and designated to form a new government, Borisov refused the offer and so Gerb went in the opposition. However, due to the collapse of the coalition government in 2014, Gerb backed into power after the snap elections. In 2020, Gerb suffered a split, as a sizable number of members and local party organizations left alongside former second-in-command Tsvetan Tsvetanov to form the Republicans for Bulgaria party.